The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern Jersey County in southwestern Illinois, north central St. Charles County, eastern Lincoln County, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Paul, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near St. Peters and Cotlerville around 10:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include St. Charles, Bridgeton, and Orchard Farms. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 216 and 229. This also includes First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site and Marquette State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.